up, fam? It's your girl Sweet Pea back with another video. So today I have an updated tutorial for the ball cap method and how to choose the perfect color wood cap for your next ball cap method. Look, as y'all can see, I got a big Ziploc bag full of all kind of wig caps, knee-high stockings, you name it. I tried it, so you don't got to. I got the everyday knee-highs. I got the sheer nudes complete whole stockings. I got the wig cap that you get from the beauty supply. I got a stock full of knee-highs that I bought off of Amazon. I got the OG wig caps that you get in your lace front wigs that you purchase. I got a pack of wig caps and knee-highs that I bought off of eBay. I mean, you name it, I've tried it. So first, let's get into the ball cap, and then we'll go into choosing the perfect color. Starting off with the regular whip cap, I'm just going to pop this baby on and do a tight cuff at the bottom, sort of like if you were cuffing the bottom of your pants. But only this time, you don't have to put your whole stocking over your face like a ski mask. You're going to spray some Got To Be Free spray or your favorite holding spray around the edge of the first side that you're going to do, holding it down with the tip of your rat tooth comb and blow drying it. I blow dry mine on warm because I don't have a lot of grease in my hair right now. So it's just going to give it a nice, tight, firm, crisp hold. You can use the cool method, of course, if you choose to. Now I'm going to get ready to spray a little bit of the free spray around the back of my ear, and you're going to see why in a minute. And here we go. Now I'm going to start to make my little hole, just like you normally would using the knee-high method, exposing the ear. But wow, no runs, breakthrough. Yes. I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side, spraying the free spray or your favorite holding spray around the ear. And like I said, this just gives it a nice, tight, firm hold. I absolutely love this method because with this method, if you want to do an updo like a ponytail, you don't have to worry about sewing anything down. It holds in place perfectly, and the taking down process is even more amazing. Oh, now for the back of the head, make sure when you spray the holding spray, you have your hand at the bottom of your neck like I do, because if you don't, that baby will roll up like a shirt that's too small. After a few seconds, you can remove your hand and get ready to cut the excess wig cap from around your head and get ready to do your installation. I really love this style. I really love this method. To take it off, all you have to do is spray some warm water on the parts that you sprayed the holding spray, or use a damp cloth, and after a few moments that wig cap will loosen right up and basically slide off of your head. It's amazing. This is like my new favorite way. That's why I'm titling it Updated Method. Super easy. It might take a few minutes longer, but how worth it. The perfect wig cap
go around the edge
for your
like
installment.
Like you normally would.
For me, out of all those wig caps that I tried, the perfect color is your foundation. It doesn't matter what color wig cap that you buy or use. You could be brown, tan, light brown. It don't matter, because the perfect color is always going to be your perfect foundation, your perfect concealant, or your perfect pressed powder. For me, I got to combine like 2 different colors to make the right tone for me. I'm pretty sure the perfect one is out there. It's just that I'm really new to makeup. I'm just now learning how to do makeup, so I'm still really experimenting on my colors. For me, I use this pressed powder along with the tint. And it comes out pretty good. Now, I like the pressed powder because it comes on so easy. It's not wet. You don't have to apply in abundance. It don't take long to dry because it's already dry. And that's it. So for me, it's the pressed powder with a little bit of tint. And depending on what kind of wig or hairstyle you're putting on, should also determine where you're going to put the powder. For me, I'm going to do an installation with a side part right here. So I'm just going to put a little bit of powder right here. So it'll be really visible in my part. This is my perfect color. So if you think this video was helpful in any kind of form or fashion, please support your girl. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification button so you can stay up to date with all my tutorials and all my funny videos. I love making you guys laugh. I appreciate you guys' comments, feedbacks. That's it. Holla at your girl.